7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shall we begin?
It gives me immense pleasure to announce that we as MI Arch have started our online and offline coaching center for the students and candidates willing to appear for Nata examination. Nata, which stands for National Aptitude Test in Architecture, is an entrance exam same as CET for getting admission into architectural studies. And we would be teaching and mentoring the students and candidates willing to opt for the subjects related queries of architectural. With this, we would be coaching and mentoring for software skills development of the students as well as the freshers or interns who are finding it difficult to cope up with the latest technology, 2D, 3D planning, 2D, 3D rendering, 2D, 3D creation. So for more details, interested students and candidates can send us email or can contact us or can send your queries and details on the given email ID, which is mispace space arch@gmail.com. Thank you.